sweetie, you're back home safe, but you've got to follow every single word to stay alive. This note is your lifeline. Got it? First thing, lock the big door and the bathroom door so no creature can get in. Use newspapers to cover all the windows. Block that light like your life depends on it, because it does. I have left a red doll for you. Keep it close. Don't let it wander away from you. Remember to look around for anything blue or white. Trash them now. If they're big, get them in the bathroom. You have to remember to knock on the bathroom door before you open it. Then, only then, turn on the light. Don't open the door right away. If you spot a dark shape, kill the light, grab the doll, and run back to Mom and Dad's room. Hurry! Close that bedroom door too. After that, peek under the door to see if the lights in the living room are flickering. If they are, stay put. If not, check the bathroom again. Remember, don't open the door right away. If the shadow disappears, bring in the blue and white things ASAP. Remember, only turn off the light in the bathroom. Keep all the other room lights on. Food's in the fridge. Warm it up before eating, but don't eat it all up. If you're tired at night, go to our room. In there, you'll see a white closet. It's safe, don't worry. Before you go to bed, check on the closet. Carefully peek through the gap. If you see blue eyes watching from inside, shine your flashlight till they vanish. One last thing before bed, hang a bag on the outside doorknob. Lock the door, and then you go rest. Next morning, you'll find the second note inside the bedside drawer. But don't read it early. Your dad and I trust that you can make it. Make it to the second day, my love.